Sometimes when you're traveling abroad, you just want a night of Netflix and chill. But when you open Netflix, you might be shocked to discover it looks completely different. Where did all your favorite shows go? The fastest and easiest way to watch Netflix Australia is with a VPN. VPNs, or virtual private networks, are made up of hundreds of private servers located in different countries around the world. Connecting to a VPN is super simple. All you need to do is download your VPN, find Australia on the server list, and click to connect. I'm going to use ExpressVPN to show you how to watch Netflix Australia. It's my top choice for accessing geo-blocked sites like Netflix because it has servers in Australia and more than 90 other countries, so you'll be able to stream quality content from almost anywhere. Now, I'm going to show you how to use ExpressVPN to watch Netflix Australia. It's really easy. All you need to do is click on the link below to go to ExpressVPN's site. Click on Get ExpressVPN, then choose the plan that works best for you. Longer plans come with bigger discounts, so I really recommend using our discount code. Enter the email address, then choose your payment method and add your details. Once your purchase has gone through, copy your activation code. Then choose the right download for your device, download it, and run the installation wizard. When it's finished installing, paste in your activation code, and that's it. You're ready to go. Next, you need to find Australia in the server list. In the Selected Location box, you'll find 3 dots. Click on them to open ExpressVPN's location list. Then click on All Locations and scroll through the region list to find Australia. Alternatively, you can search for Australia by typing it into the search box. Click on Australia, then click the big Connect button. It takes just seconds to connect. Finally, open your browser and go to Netflix. You'll now be able to view the Netflix Australia catalog as if you were right at home. You'll see that when I click play, there's no buffering delay. That's thanks to ExpressVPN's reliable connections and super fast speeds. And that's it. It really is that easy to watch Netflix Australia from abroad. All you need to do is find a great VPN with fast speeds and powerful unblocking capabilities, like ExpressVPN, and use it to connect to a server in Australia. You'll be able to log into Netflix Australia and watch the shows and movies you love with zero buffering. If you want to learn more about ExpressVPN, don't miss our full review. If this video has helped you, please leave us a like or comment and subscribe to our channel.